Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do something a little different that we've never done. We are going to install a through the roof ceiling fan. Picked this one up on Amazon. It's a 10 speed. It runs right off of our 12 volt. So what we're going to do, we're going to cut a hole right in here all the way through the roof, and we're going to tap into the power of this light because this is a 12 volt system. The advantages of this is if we are camping where we don't have power and all we have is our battery and our solar, we can still run this fan. So that's the main reason for it. And not to mention, we like to have a fan blowing on us when we're sleeping. So first thing that you need to do is figure out where your studs are, which I've already located. My first stud was right here. So I can't count, I don't have 14 inches from here to here. So what I need to go is 14 inches back. And what I'll do is I'll get a piece of tape up here and we'll just start cutting that out of the way and everything. Right now it's Memorial Weekend. There's a lot of people outside. So it's probably going to be a lot done inside here and little snapshots from up top because as you can see, basically I just put this up here. I drew a line on the outside of it. So I know how this is going to slip up in there. I already drilled a hole. Now what we're going to do is take our multi-tool and we'll just go through and cut that out. Probably drill a hole in each corner just like I did here, so I get a nice little round, but you don't have to. You can come in straight into that corner versus the angle. I don't know if you can see this. Right there's my 12 volt wire going up to my lights up there. So we'll just get this insulation. Gonna cut this insulation, just shove it back on both sides, and we'll get up into the roof. So this is now what we've got. Got 14 by 14 inch hole. I dropped my power, or I dropped my lights. I'm gonna tap right into these wires. I'll snake another wire over here, and that's what's going to hook my fan up to. So right here's the fan. This will be the inside. We got some butyl tape, and there's also screws inside there too. So what we'll do is we'll end up taking the tape. It's a double-sided. You just put it on there, and then when you run your screws through, this will make a permanent seal. And then on the, so it'll set up on the roof like this. Your tape will be under here. Run your screw, and then we'll take Dicor and go around this whole thing so we don't get any leaks or anything. We got us a hole. Now we just go up top, put the fan up there. We actually went through, cut up the roof, got the fan set in here now. I ran the wires that were over here through the ceiling, and they're actually right here. So what I'm going to do, we're going to scotch lock them together, and then we'll put the light back up in there. And then we'll just go through, we'll fit the inside. Yeah, fit the inside box up in there. We got to trim that to fit. And then go up top, screw everything on, and we'll be ready to turn it on for the initial fire up. So here it is, all installed. You can see right there, I got a little gap. I got to put a little bit of caulk up around that. The issue I ran into is the air conditioning vent. I would have figured would have stopped right at the end of that, but for some reason they carried the ductwork all the way out to about here and terminated it. So when I tried to line the fan up center of the bed, when I cut my initial hole, I had that heating that air conditioning vent right there, so I had to cheat everything this way a little bit, which opened up a little hole. Let's turn it on. And there you go. Tomorrow I'll probably go up top, put Dicor on it and everything. I just want to make sure everything worked tonight before I went through and Dicored everything. But this does have a rain sensor, so if it does pick up any rain, it will automatically close itself. And this one here is a complete seal off, so when it does close completely, it does turn off the fan. They do have some that you can have the fan closed and still vent out. You know, this fan here could be installed in a little bit of anything. It could be installed in a van, for a van build, a camper, anything that has a 12-volt system. If you kind of like this content, please give it a thumbs up and maybe consider subscribing. Thank you.